that well. So today we're going to be moving on to doing the bottom 2 leaves on our first part of the stem, and we're going to be doing that in the long and short shading stitch, and it's where we do it in just one colour again. So it's in this lovely dark green 297, and both of the leaves are in that, so I thought that's what we could get on with today. The scissors, just making sure that it's the right length, so we've not got our thread too long, which is a skill that I seem to have with making it too long, but that looks about right. Already have my needle ready, and this is all in single thread according to the stitch chart, so we're using the gold needle. I'm going to start with this leaf, so I'm going to put my seeding stitches into the leaf on the other side so I don't have this bit in my way. And then we will start in the middle. To make sure that I go over the blue line. And then we'll go to the end first. Oh, I'm going to actually unpick this one just because I've not got the angle right on it. So we will start again. Got that first stitch in. Oh, short stitch. Long stitch. Also trying to make sure I'm not doing a very good job of it, but make sure that when I'm going down, I've got the needle at 90 degrees with the linen, because Philippa says that that's the best way to protect the wool because it will go straight through. I'm just trying to make sure that I'm keeping going over the blue line. I'm just going to bring it right. I'm going to pull this. I'm just taking the stitches smaller. I'm not sure if that's the best way to do it. So that's that half done, so I'm going to come back to the middle and go the other way. So we finished doing the first layer of the long and short stitch. So we're going to go back in with the second and starting at the same point as we did last time. So coming up through here and down. Make sure that I'm going over that blue line again. So I'm just trying to make sure that I'm covering all of that blue line and giving it that really dense feel as well. Just go through these. I'm actually just going to, I've noticed that there's some blue lines showing on this bit, so we're just going to use the second colour to come over the top. Just rethread this. Come back down there, and then that's that bit done. So I'm just going to put a little seeding stitch in here to make sure it's nice and secure. I'm going to bring that thread to the top and just cut it off, and I'll just cut the starting one off too. So I'm going to go do the same on this section here, then I'll come back to you with the finished leaf and we'll quickly start the second leaf. So we finished this half of the leaf and I'm really happy with how it's turned out. I love this colour green as well, so it's one of my favourite bits. So I'm going to copy exactly what I've done and repeat it on the other side on the second leaf. So I'm going to go do that now and I will show you that tomorrow. And then tomorrow we're going to move away from long and short stitching for a few days and we're going to move on to doing these big acorns here, which will be fun to do. I've never done them this big. So I'm going to make sure that I've got these seeding stitch, it's not seeding stitches, it's crewel stem stitch stems. I'm going to make sure I've got those done as well tonight before we go on to the next bit. So I'll see you tomorrow.